Waterborne diseases are one of the leading causes of disease in the world. 3.5 million people still die every year, 1.5 million of which are children. Of course, the introduction of chlorine in our water has made a major impact in their incidence. But the ever-increasing number of systems that by design store water, such as air conditioning, hot and cold water systems, cooling towers and spas, has led to other disease outbreaks caused by opportunistic bacteria such as Legionella. And of course now you're thinking, so what is the chance of me inhaling a contaminated droplet of water? And what if I tell you that you do that pretty much every day at least once? Don't you shower every day? And of course, you're in charge of your own shower at home because you can clean it. But you're not in charge of the shower you will be using at the gym you're going to be using tonight, or the shower you will be using at the hotel in your next holiday, or the shower you will have to use when you go to hospital. The water is also delivered to you in pipes looking like the one you can see here, full of corrosions and bacteria. So large buildings must put in place measures to minimize the risk of us contracting any disease. They do so by maintaining the hot water temperatures above 55 degrees Celsius, 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year, meaning that there is a lot of energy consumed to heat the water to that temperature. Our team at Brunel University, in collaboration with ESG, the leading provider of testing, inspection and compliance services in the UK, has developed Protex, an electrolytic cell to control Legionella in hot water system of large buildings. As you may already know, water is not only made of H2O, but it contains all sorts. To name but a few, disinfection products such as chlorine, bacteria, minerals such as iron and calcium, but also dissolved chlorides. Our technology makes use of electrolysis, a process involving the use of an electrolytic current to bring about a chemical change to make new chemicals. Electricity is applied to the water via electrodes, causing the electrolysis of the salt dissolved in the water and of the water itself, and hence generating chlorine, ozone and chlorine dioxide that cause bacteria to die. Thanks to our research, there is now a technology that can keep you safe with the fraction of the cost. Protex also requires little maintenance, and we do not add any extra chemicals to the water, reducing the carbon footprints of the water treatment. Our technology has been tested in laboratory and in a number of UK facilities where it continues to deliver safe water today.
Children's MS Centre has been providing support and care for people with MS for over 30 years. Running such a busy centre, it's essential that we keep safety and hygiene at the top of our priorities for our members, staff, volunteers and anyone else that uses the centre. Legionella control is part of that, and the innovative technologies provided to us by Brunel University and ESG allow us to meet these strict regulations. This technology and the procedures in place allow us as a centre to feel confident that we are meeting the highest standards of hygiene.
In order to achieve the nearly zero carbon targets for new non-domestic buildings set by the UK government, we need to address both their heating requirements and the energy demand associated with heating water. Our research, funded by the Environmental Scientific Group and the UK's innovation agency, Innovate UK, will deliver a novel, unique, fully tested and validated product based on the process of electrolysis, capable of continuously disinfecting water systems without the need for hazardous chemicals or elevated water temperatures, thereby reducing operating cost and improving effectiveness. We anticipate, as we complete our research and help introduce this product in the market, both in the UK and abroad, that electrolytic disinfection will play an important role in the national energy reduction strategy and contribute towards achieving the ambitious goals set by the UK government.